Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to discuss about sciatica. We'll understand briefly what is sciatica and we'll learn the asanas and stretches which are useful in sciatica. So sciatica is the pain which radiates from the lower back down to the buttocks and back of the leg. So it follows the path of the sciatic nerve. So typically one leg is affected. Rarely both legs are involved. There are many causes of sciatica like herniation of disc or any bone spur or any spinal stenosis. Anything compressing the spinal nerve can cause sciatica. So the most important and one aspect which is under our control is the postural correction. You should be very alert and attentive about the postures, the way you are sitting, hours of sitting, hours of standing. You should be alert that if you are sitting for long hours, you should get up and start walking. Just move your limbs here and there. If you are standing for long, just sit for a while. So postural correction is very important to prevent sciatica. So we will see Garudasana or the eagle pose. For this you have to take your hands in T position. Right leg crossing over the left leg. Right hand crossing over the left hand. Here I am bending a little. After getting my posture, I will straighten up. And here I will focus and balance. And relax. Breathing will be normal. No holding. I'll show the sideways. Hands in T position. Right leg crossing over the left leg. Here I am bending a little. Right hand crossing over the left hand, and then I will straighten up, find my balance, focus in front, normal breathing, no holding, and relax. Second is the spinal twist or the standing Vakrasana. For this you have to take 2 feet distance. Inhaling will take the hands up, exhaling will twist to the sides. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Holding my breath here for 3 counts. Hold 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale and relax. I will show you the sideways. 2 feet distance. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale and relax. Now we will be lying down and do the lying down poses. Lie down always on one side, taking support of your hand like this, and then come on your back. Your legs should be folded like this, knees close to each other. Now take your right leg and place it over the left thigh. Now with both your hands, hold the left thigh from behind like this and towards you. Stay there for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And release. Breathe normally. Also you can hold your whole leg like this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and release. Same with the opposite leg. Left leg over the right thigh. Holding with both the hands. Taking towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and relax. Now holding completely the whole leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax and release your posture. Now we are going to do the bridge pose, where you have to take your legs as close to the hips as possible. You can go on your toes, or you can go on the heels, whichever is comfortable for you. So the first position is like this. Chin is touching the chest, hands are on the sides. I am on my toes and relax. Try to stay there up till 10 counts. Again, with hands interlocked behind. Come on the toes, hands interlocked from behind and up, up, up. As much as you can, and hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and relax. Release your hands. One more time. On your toes, and this time try to walk in and lift up. Interlock your hands from behind. Breathe normally. Stay there for 10 counts. Breathe. Open up your chest. Focus on your back. Don't strain much on your back. And relax. Relax your hands. Relax your legs. Breathe normally. Now we'll be doing spinal twist or lying down Vakrasana. For this, your legs are extended. Hands in T position. Take your 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling to the opposite side. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Feel the spinal twist and relax. Relax your legs. Breathe normally. And now we'll be doing Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. You have to lie down in prone position like this, taking support of one hand. Lie down in prone position. Your legs are extended. Toes are pointed outwards like this. Just rest in 2 seconds in Makarasana. Prepare yourself for Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. So for this pose, you have to place your palms on the sides of the chest like this, and inhaling you have to lift up your upper body. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. If you can hold here for 3 counts. Otherwise, breathe normally and relax. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. And relax. Don't put any strain on your neck. Shoulders are relaxed, your neck is relaxed. And one more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Look up and relax. Now we'll be doing Dhanurasana or the bow pose. For this, again you have to lie in the same manner like this. Fold your right leg. Fold your left leg. Hold your right leg with your right hand. Hold your left leg with your left hand and try to come up very gently, as much as you can, and relax. Relax your hands, relax your legs. Once again, be ready for the posture. Fold your right leg. Hold your left leg. Hold your right leg with your right hand. Hold your left leg with your left hand and be ready to get up from the ground. Inhaling, come up. And relax. We'll see the stretches. So if you have any high table at your house or any table which is at a height, so take your leg and place it over the table like this. Now stay there comfortably. If you want, you can just hold the table with your hand, or you can directly put your hands on the leg and start pulsating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normal breathing. 7. Focus on the spine. 8, 9 and 10. The other stretch is extending your leg like this. Take your back leg little back. Stay there. Back should be straight. You should not slouch. Back is completely straight. Hold your table like this with the hand and breathe normally. Stay there for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax your legs. Gently take your legs with the hand and put it down. So practice this daily, each step 10 times. Be healthy, be safe, take care.